So George Pratt, he really, I think that his biggest lesson for me was the concept of mark making, as opposed to uh, just the traditional idea of drawing and painting. So, when you're in high school or something, you think of drawing as having a pencil or charcoal and eraser, creating lines, or painting, you have paintbrush or paintbrush set, something like that. But um, George would really stress the idea of creating an emotion with whatever tools you can make. So whether that's watercolor washes or um, whatever tools that you could use to be the most expressive. So he would do a lot of experimentation. And for me, as someone trying to capture a lot of emotion in my artwork as well, I took George's lessons and tried to select tools and ways of working that allow me to be a little bit more expressive. Um,
So mark making exactly is using any tool to highlight an
yeah,
emotion.
yeah,
Okay.
or to make a mark on the page.
Got it. Okay. Yeah.
Like it's not just it's kind of beyond being locked into a line or maybe a certain form. It's kind of you have an idea, you have maybe a form or an expression you're trying to make, and the type of tool that you use can heighten the emotion or expression that you're trying to convey.